Did you know videos are everywhere? On social media, ads, emails, even news articles. Everything contains a video. Big giant companies like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and even Google all leverage videos heavily now. They know how powerful and profitable they are. Every month, videos produce billions and billions in revenue and make more millionaires than email ever did. But creating a video is not easy, at least a good one that gets results. Sure, big companies can afford that, but we can't. If you want to hire a video editor to create videos for you, it'll cost you on average $500 to $1,000 for just a 1 to 2 minute video. Not to mention hustle of dealing with a bunch of freelancers. And doing it yourself is insanely hard. Imagine having to spend months learning new apps like After Effects, Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve, and more. It's a nightmare, right? But what if I told you that there is a way to skip all of that? A way that will allow you to generate stunning and attention-grabbing videos like the one you're watching right now. In 60 seconds flat, without learning fancy new software and without hiring anyone to help you, yes, you could create videos, explainers, animations, VSLs, and more in less than a minute. With zero experience and with zero technical skills. How? Easy. We leveraged an insanely powerful AI model to do all the work for us. It allows us to turn any URL, blog, text, article, prompt, or scripts, basically anything, into sexy videos like this. All without us doing anything. Of course, we can easily customize them or personalize them if we want, but without those complicated dashboards like the normal video editing apps you see every day, AI does it for us too. We just tell AI what we want to edit, and it does it for us, giving us stunning videos in less than a minute, and not just any videos, that goes viral on social media and generates us more traffic, leads, and sales, and stuffing our account with big fat commissions. Introducing VidForce AI, the world's AI app that turns any URL, blog, website, text, article, or prompt into studio quality videos in multiple languages in just 60 seconds flat. All without learning any new apps, writing video scripts, being on camera, buying expensive software, hiring video editors, spending hours trying to figure it out, any tech or past experience, paying any monthly fees. None of that. VidForce AI allows us to skip all of that. Everyone needs VidForce AI, even if you don't own a business. It's an essential app that you can't miss not having in your arsenal. Do you know why? Because people will pay you thousands of dollars to create videos for them also. Take a look at this. Those are people on Fiverr offering to create basic videos for hundreds of dollars. Fiverr. Imagine if you come in with professional and stunning animations, you will eat that market. And this is not guessing. We do it. We get clients on a daily basis begging us to create videos for them. We charge them anywhere from $497 to $997 for 57 seconds of work. Insane, right? I'm sure by now you're wondering how much it'll cost you, right? Look, I'm going to be honest with you. We should be charging thousands of dollars for this. It's the only app in the market that does exactly what it promises, if not more. It allows us to explode our business without paying for ads, paying for apps, or even spending time working. So here's the deal. We will offer you VidForce AI at an insanely low one-time fee. But that's not all. By clicking the button below, you will also unlock access to our custom-made bonuses that will fast-track your results. These bonuses alone are worth at least $997, but you will get it today for 100% free. And if you're still worried, don't be. We removed all the risks from your end. You are protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee if, for any reason, you don't think VidForce AI is worth its weight in gold. So, why are you waiting? Go ahead, click on the button below, and unlock unlimited buyers and traffic with our VidForce AI videos. Plus, our bonuses pack over $997. There's nothing to lose. Go ahead and take action now. I'll see you inside.